Countable and uncountable nouns. Noun is a word that refers to a person, place, thing, event, substance, or quality. Can be either countable or uncountable. What is countable nouns? Countable nouns are for things we can count using numbers. They have a singular and a plural form. The singular form can use the determiner er or an. If you want to ask about quantity of a countable noun, you ask how many, combined with the plural countable noun. Here are some examples for countable nouns, singular and plural. 1 dog, 2 dogs. 1 horse, 2 horses. 1 man, 2 men. 1 idea, 2 ideas. 1 shop, 2 shops. Other examples: she has 3 dogs. I own a house. I would like 2 books, please. How many friends do you have? We use a, many, few. A few with countable nouns only. Examples: a doctor, a pen, a meal, a class, a college. Many cups, many books, many libraries, many flights. Few questions, few tables, few apples, few holidays, few countries. A few questions, a few problems, a few issues. What is uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are for the things that we cannot count with numbers. They may be the names for abstract ideas or qualities, or for physical objects that are too small or too amorphous to be counted, such as liquids, powders, gases, etc. Uncountable nouns are used with a singular verb. They usually do not have a plural form. Examples for uncountable nouns for abstract ideas or qualities are knowledge, beauty, anger, fear, love, money, research, safety, evidence. While examples for uncountable nouns for physical objects that are too small are tea, sugar, water, air, rice, and etc. Other examples of uncountable noun. The first one is: he gave me a great deal of advice before my interview. Second, can you give me some information about uncountable nouns? Third, he did not have much sugar left. Fourth, measure 1 cup of water, 300 grams of flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And finally, how much rice do you want? We use much, a little bit of with uncountable nouns only. Examples: much money, much time, much food, much water, much energy. Little trouble, little equipment, little meat, little patient. A little bit of confidence, a little bit of sleep, a little bit of snow. We use these words with countable and uncountable nouns. The for countable: the monkeys, the schools, the teacher, the books, the bananas. Uncountable: the cheese, the machinery, the luggage, the grass, the knowledge. Some for countable: some tables, some stores, some grapes, some cities, some nurses. Uncountable: some time, some news, some bread, some salt, some meal. Any for countable: any fox, any socks, any bathrooms, any waiters, any beliefs. For uncountable: any advice, any soap, any transportation, any goal, any homework. No for countable: no magazines, no chocolates, no pilots, no rings, no markers. For uncountable: no trouble, no grass, no scenery, no money, no furniture. We also use a lot of, lots of, enough, plenty of with countable and uncountable nouns. For examples: a lot of, countable; a lot of animals; a lot of coins; a lot of immigrants; a lot of babies. Uncountable: a lot of help; a lot of aggravation; a lot of happiness; a lot of fun. Lots of for countable: lots of computers, lots of buses, lots of parties, lots of colleges. Uncountable: lots of cake, lots of ice cream, lots of energy, lots of laughter. Enough for countable: enough plates, enough onions, enough restaurants, enough worries. Uncountable: enough courage, enough wisdom, enough spaghetti, enough time, plenty of. For countable, plenty of houses, plenty of concerts, plenty of guitars. For uncountable, plenty of oil, plenty of sugar, plenty of cheese, plenty of space.